Let's move to define parameters for starter rebars and remove startups at top of the walls because they are unnecessary in this case. And for starter, I will define starter length by value and count from top of the wall. 700 mm for vertical starter bars and 1000 mm for corner starter bars. Okay, because that we have openings in this wall, we need to add some more rebars for openings. Start with opening startups. Diameter tail and spacing 150 mm. Length will be 700 mm. And I can define the same for all sides of opening with this button. Actually, for top startups, 100 mm is better, so we input here 100. For this option, it's not needed in this case, so I will skip it. Maybe we will talk about it later. Okay, go to Expand tab to see what we have here. Jumper sap and router for startup are unnecessary in this case. Now move to the next tab to add some additional rebars for openings. As I said before, I just need one layer of additional rebars, so I remove by unticking layer 2 and 3, and define for layer 1 with 2 bars and diameter 16 mm. Overlap length 700 for right and left. And then apply for all sides of opening. We can input value for minimum opening, which we want to remove additional rebars. Okay, we just defined all rebars we need for these walls. We don't need the other bars, so I will check. And remove diagonal rebars. Extra startup and spacer. Okay, now to create Python part with reinforcement for this wall, just click to this button and can see the result. And for other walls with the same parameters, I will continue to reinforce for them without reopening the Python part. I click to select the wall, or for this wall no need offsets and no wall opposed, so I press Escape button to reinforce it. Right, click to this wall, click to adjacent wall to get offset, and click to above wall. Then right Escape button to reinforce it. Okay, do the same for other walls.